Bright colors and bold designs can make your flyer stand out instantly on social media. Let's start by opening Canva and clicking on Create a Design. In the search bar, type flyer and select a flyer template. Since we're creating a colorful digital flyer, choose a design with vibrant colors, bold typography, and eye-catching graphics. Once the editor opens, begin by updating the headline. Click on the main text and replace it with your own message. This could be a sale announcement, event promotion, business advertisement, or special offer. Make sure the headline is large and easy to read. Next,